Yeah, it's that motor on that thing. Yeah. That's it. So this thing comes apart with these little clips. There you go. How many are there? 4.
4 of them.
Let's see what's in there. This is the whining secondary air. It's a noisemaker.
It's probably hot.
Is it?
It's a little warm.
It's a 13 wrench and a flathead screwdriver. And I cracked it.
One, two, three. And then this is gonna open up, it looks like star bits.
I do have star bits if you don't have any.
Yeah, I need some star bits. 2 T20 bits. Or screws. And then
Nothing.
screws on there.
Alright. Take off that little washer. Trying to disassemble. Open it up.
Just have to use a lot of force and it'll come up.
Let's see what that looks like. Oh, okay. Shows all the dust from this motor. Look at that.
This is just some PB Blaster, WD-40.
Not the bearings first.
This stuff. Just prevent it from getting on the electrical. Just give it a little bit of lube.
How about using the electrical cleaner?
No, probably not on
No, the
that.
bearings. No. You feel any looser? No.
Glides pretty smoothly.
I'm gonna get the other side too.
Yeah. Get a rag.
So the idea is that's just cleaning up the bearings.
Yeah, it cleans them up and lubes them. See it go down into it?
Yeah. That's cool. Assembly of secondary air pump. What are you doing?
Bearings lubed.
Yeah.
Slide it in. This piece for the prongs.
Okay.
And then you gotta press it in
Click.
till you hear a little click.
Getting out, you use the pick, right?
Yep.
Okay. And
I did not use the pick. I used the channel locks to grab
channel
onto
locks
the
around.
shaft.
Okay.
Just be careful because you don't want to bend the shaft.
I'm not going to say anything.
Oh, where's that? Oh, here it is.
This is just a bonus repair after repairing the voltage regulator on the alternator. Get rid of that annoying whining sound.
Right.
Start up.
So first, what is this?
Just a
Flat washer.
Yep.
Then this one
Yeah.
slides down onto it. Then this slides on top of that. Then it is these. Getting them all lined up. like so. Make sure they got good angle on them, where they're supposed to be. Let's rotate this a little bit to make sure.
Hear someone rubbing there? Good. Got it.
Okay. And then it was this nut.
Oh.
In order to do this nut, it wasn't the 15, it was the 13.
13mm wrench.
And screwdriver.
Flathead screwdriver. Is that flathead?
Yep.
Nice job. Torque to spec.
Torque is this going to get to spec.
It just keeps giving, doesn't it?
Carbon on the bottom. Alright. Then we put this bad boy back on.
Cover.
See how it lines up. It has these things. Little tabs that line it up.
Which tabs are you referring to?
These. It'll line up into that one. You just press it on. Good and tight. Good and tight. These back on.
Those are the little clips.
Doesn't matter which way.
There you go. That sounds positive.
It wasn't negative.
Nice. Good job.
And the last one.
There you go.
That holds that on. And mount this back onto here.
There's
So
the
it's
mounting
gonna go
bracket.
that way.
Yeah.
It's gonna go this way.
Is it easier to put that on after? Sure.
I'll put it on before because it's so tight in there.
Yeah.
It's 3 little screws. 2. These are 10mm. Just snug them.
Okay. Now I'm maneuvering it in the hole.
Alright. It's just gonna go at an angle. Prop this up out of the way. Thank you. Oh, let's put this one in. Because it was kind of a pain. So get that one on there. Slides back down in. Like so. Move your wires out of the way. This top one goes onto there. Use the top one as a guide for all the rest.
Let me see what that is. Right up there.
Top one. Then defreeze. This one down here should be lined up as long as this hole is lined up. these two wires right here go back in this little clip. And you just close it up. And that'll hold them tight. It's just a pressure plug. The electrical connection, you just get a feel for it. Push it right on. Alright, won't go any further. Last but not least, the arrows.
Forget your arrow.
There's not a clamp that goes over that.